how to turn on or turn off Android personalization service on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on Security and Privacy. After click on Security and Privacy, scroll down and click on More Privacy Settings. After click on More Privacy Settings, you will see, scroll down and you will see first option is Android Personalization Service. If you want to turn off Android Personalization Service, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Android Personalization Services turn off. If you want to turn on Android Personalization Service, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Android Personalization Services turn on. You will turn on or turn off Android Personalization Service from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Android Personalization Service on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.